What if the easiest drone to fly is also one of the most capable content creation tools you can throw into a backpack? And that's exactly why the DJI Neo 2 is getting so much attention. For years, beginner drones forced you to choose between simplicity and quality, and you could get something easy to use, but the footage looked mediocre. And if you could buy a more advanced drone and spend weeks learning controls, settings, and flight techniques, but the DJI Neo 2 changes the formula by combining intelligence automation, upgraded imaging, improved obstacle sensing, and the incredible compact design in a package built for creators, travelers, and everyday users who simply want great footage without a steep learning curve. And at first glance, the Neo 2 looks small enough to be underestimated. It's lightweight, portable, and designed for integrated propeller guards that make it less intimidating than traditional camera drones, but underneath the compact frame are some major improvements that make it far more capable than its size suggests. And one of the biggest upgrades is the camera system. The Neo 2 offers higher quality video recording, smoother stabilization, and improved overall image performance compared to the original Neo. And for content creators, that means cleaner footage, more detail, and a little more professional look straight out of the drone. And whether you're filming travel videos, outdoor adventures, family activities, or social media content, image quality is one of the most important factors, and the DJI clearly focused on improving that experience. Another major advantage is stabilization. Anyone who's ever flown a budget drone knows that shaky footage can ruin an otherwise perfect shot, and the Neo 2 benefits from improved stabilization systems that help maintain smooth video even when conditions aren't ideal. Wind, movement, and directional changes are handled more efficiently and effectively, allowing creators to spend less time fixing footage in editing software and more time focusing on the storytelling. The flying experience itself is where the Neo 2 really separates itself from many competitors. DJI has built its reputation around making drones easier to operate, and this model continues the philosophy. Instead of requiring extensive pilot experience, the Neo 2 gives users access to intelligent flight features designed to automate complex shots. Tracking modes allow the drone to follow its subject while maintaining composition. Automated flight patterns help create cinematic footage with minimal effort, and gesture controls and simplified operations make launching and capturing content easier than ever before. And these features allow someone with almost no drone experience to capture shots that would have required advanced skills only a few years ago. And safety is another area where the Neo 2 delivers significant value. One of the biggest fears new drone owners have is crashing, and DJI addressed this concern through enhanced obstacle sensing technology and smarter flight assistance systems. The drone is better equipped to detect objects in its environment and help reduce the likelihood of collision. While no technology can completely eliminate pilot error, these features provide an extra layer of confidence, and especially for beginners who may still be learning how to navigate different environments. Battery life is always an important discussion too when evaluating drones. The Neo 2 offers improved flight efficiency, giving users more time in the air to capture content before needing to recharge. And while every drone pilot wishes, batteries lasted forever, the Neo 2 provides enough flight time to accomplish meaningful shooting sessions while maintaining its lightweight and portable design. For many creators, carrying multiple batteries becomes an easy solution for extending filming opportunities throughout the day, and the portability may actually be one of the most underrated strengths of this drone. Larger drones often end up staying at home because they require dedicated carrying cases and take up significant space, but the Neo 2 is designed for convenience. It can easily fit into a backpack, travel bag, or even larger jacket pockets depending on your setup, and that means you're more likely to bring it with you, which ultimately means more opportunities to capture unique footage. And the best camera is often the ones you actually have with you. And the same principle applies to drones. A drone that is easy to carry is a drone that gets used. And for social media creators, the Neo 2 is especially appealing because of how quickly content can move from capture to sharing. And modern creators need efficiency. They want to film, edit, and publish as fast as possible. And the DJI has focused heavily on streamlining that workflow. Wireless transfers, simplified controls, intelligent shooting modes, and creator-friendly features help reduce friction throughout the production process. And whether you're posting on YouTube or Instagram, TikTok, or other platform, the ability to generate quality aerial content quickly can be a major advantage. Another impressive aspect of the Neo 2 is how versatile it is. Some drones excel only in specific situations, but the Neo 2 works well across a broad range of use cases. Travelers can document destinations from a unique perspective. Outdoor enthusiasts can capture hiking, biking, adventure footage, and families can record special moments from angles that would otherwise be impossible. And small business owners can create marketing content without hiring professional drone operators. And real estate creators can add aerial visuals to their listing, and the flexibility of the platform makes it appealing to a wide audience rather than serving only drone hobbyists. And DJI also understands that many buyers are entering the drone world for the first time. Because of that, the Neo 2 emphasizes accessibility, and the learning curve is dramatically reduced, compared to older drone systems. Newer users can become comfortable with basic operations quickly while still having room to grow into more advanced capabilities over time. And that balance between simplicity and that balance between simplicity and capability is one of the reasons why DJI products often dominate discussions within the drone community. And if you're interested in learning more about the DJI Neo 2, checking current specifications, avoiding the bundles and pricing options, be sure to visit the link in the description where you can view the product in detail, compare the packages, purchase it if it fits your needs, and before buying any drone. It's always smart to review the latest specs and include accessories so you can choose the configuration that matches your goals. And looking at the overall value proposition, the Neo 2 fills the important gap in the market. And many people want aerial content but don't want the complexity, the bulk, or the cost associated with larger professional drone systems. Then this drone offers an approachable solution that still delivers impressive results. Then the combination of upgraded video quality, intelligence, flight functions, enhanced safety systems, the portability, and the user-friendly controls make it one of the most interesting compact drones currently available. And ultimately, the DJI Neo 2 isn't trying to be the most expensive drone, the fastest drone, or the most specified or specialized drone. Instead, it focuses on being the drone that most people will actually enjoy using. It removes the barrier, simplifies the flying experience, and makes aerial content creation accessible for a much larger audience. And for beginners, travelers, and anyone looking to capture unique perspective without carrying a larger drone kit, the Neo 2 represents a compelling option. And if you want to explore all the available features, compare the versions, see detailed specifications, or purchase the DJI Neo 2 for yourself, make sure to check the link in the description and review the official specs, and the package options can help ensure you're selecting the version that best matches the type of content you plan to create. The future of consumer drones is increasing about simplicity, automation, portability, and intelligent technology, and the DJI Neo 2 is a perfect example of that direction. It delivers a user experience focused on helping people spend less time learning complicated controls and more time capturing incredible footage from perspective that were once difficult and expensive or impossible to achieve. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow.